Okay guys, today I'm playing Duel Warriors to get better than my friends. You know, I've got some upgrades already. And I've changed my avatar. You can already see that. But let's do a 2v2 actually. I'm hopefully find some people who will join me. And only me. Okay. They're not even joining me. No. Yep. Join the other player. Yep. Good as good. Nope. No. Yes! I'm actually playing dancing now. Go! Go on the lava. Ow. Sure can. Yes. And the last thing was the staff. Go! Okay. We're gonna do a sure can first. Sure can. Then we're gonna hit him with this. No. I thought you were going to get your turn. Yes. That was so easy. That's my 1,000 things and let's get a new ability. Let's see what I get. Hopefully I get something. What's this? Let's equip it. It's gonna take up that because my sure can doesn't do that much and it's easy to avoid. So someone please go. Won't you run? Someone out there that can join me. I hope you can. So I can use my name. Happy. I don't know why I have. That. Yep. Sure is. Come on, Jolly. You know what? I actually look good with that. Oh, Jolly. Please don't. Go! Okay, there was nothing. Bro, what? This combat is goated. What? can't,
Go!
somehow he uses that move, and it, like, makes me not able to use my move. Ah. Ow. Wait, what if I win? I'm staying live. Bro. No, come on. I almost defeated him. 1 sec. GG. Oh, what? I said BG. Yes.
Go!
If you're able to win. Okay. I'll go for the other one.
Go!
And that was a good win.
Go!
And that was another thing. What? Okay, I got $3,000. Now, let's get another. Let's get a new weapon. Whoa! Again. Again. A good weapon. Oh, that looks good. Okay. I want to see if I just made a mistake or not. Oh, green dagger. I forgot I had that. That's better. And these other ones. Oh. Well, dang. No. I'm gonna do that. Why? Why should I? Why should I? Why should I? Black sharp tooth. Katana. Sword. Great sword. Okay. We're using this. Let's go one more and I'm gonna get a couple new abilities. Yeah, I'm gonna get 2 more abilities. New abilities. Ah! What? What was happening? Whoa! Plunger! Where are they? Actually, I might leave it here. Might stop a little bit. But I just want to try this one new ability. Well, I don't know where the plunger is, but I already know what the plunger does. And it's not really that great. It just blinds them and makes them stay where they are. That's still good though. Let's figure out to use it. I'm ready to try this new thing out. Yes!
Go!
Bro, what? Whoa! That's the guy that was you. Okay, and I just want to duel. Yeah! Okay, bye-bye, guys.